Windsock is. Did you look on the chart and see where it is?
Yeah, it's right there. It's in that circle.
Okay.
I can't quite see it, but it's in the
Now we're
circle.
still pretty high. Looks like a crosswind from the right.
Yeah, it's coming right.
Okay.
Okay. Pumps here. Gas. Full. It's good.
Brian Field, red and white Bonanza is going to fly over the lake and come in for a right base for runway 16, Brian. I have no idea what the pattern is here.
Right, just like we're doing.
Easy for you to say.
Okay. Are these boats out there? It is.
Can't see the runway.
It's right back there. Okay. Turn. Okay, we're downwind. There you go.
Where the fuck is it?
Right there.
Right where?
Keep going, keep going,
Oh, okay,
keep going,
okay.
keep going.
Oh, I'm looking for it over the water still.
No, there's no water. All right, we're 92. Got it?
I think so.
Yep. You're on it. Yep, looking good. That's kind of neat. All right, we're a little low.
Yeah, I think we're fine.
You're to the left of it. So remember, the wind's blowing that way.
It's showing it coming.
Looks good. Yep. Looking good. All right. Pull it back. Yep. Nice.